Top 5 cryptos to invest in 2023. Buying a very small amount of capital in cryptocurrencies can reap big rewards if you get in at the right time and make the right choice, but that's not an easy thing to do as there are risks involved. So in this video, we will discuss about top 5 cryptos to invest in 2023. But before starting the video, be sure to smash the like button and subscribe to never miss out on any of our videos. Number 5. SHIBA Inu. The fifth entrant on the list is SHIBA Inu. SHIBA Inu is one of the most popular and valuable meme currencies in the cryptoverse. Launched in late 2020 and dubbed the ultimate Dogecoin killer, SHIBA Inu shot to prominence during the early 2021 crypto market rally, when its price appreciated by more than 5 million%. This meme-based cryptocurrency has overtaken its long-stood rival Dogecoin in the past month with an 800% price gain. Although market experts are not sure about its fluctuations, as SHIBA was launched in 2020, its currency performance in the market has outperformed many top cryptocurrencies. Number 4. UNISWAP. UNISWAP is a popular decentralized trading protocol known for its role in facilitating automated trading of decentralized finance, DeFi, tokens. An example of an automated market maker, UNISWAP, launched in November 2018 but has gained considerable popularity this year thanks to the DeFi phenomenon and associated surge in token trading. UNISWAP aims to keep token trading automated and open to anyone who holds tokens while improving the efficiency of trading versus traditional exchanges. Number 3. Dogecoin. Dogecoin is the first meme cryptocurrency that started as a joke that trended on the internet a long time back. After keeping a position of safety for some since its commencement in 2013, Dogecoin showed potential in 2020 when it was acknowledged as a payment model among sports teams and entered the AMC theaters. In addition, enormous names like Elon Musk and Mark Cuban preferred Dogecoin over other cryptocurrencies. A single tweet from them could make the Doge price go berserk. Number 2. Cardano. Cardano remains one of the most popular cryptocurrencies due to its flexible network and fast transactions. Claims to be more friendly to the environment than other currencies. Like company dividends on stock, it can justify stronger prices over time as it has gathered real-world uses, from farm supply chains to fighting retail plagiarism. Scalability, sustainability, and interoperability are some of its chief selling points. The recent upgrade in the network has enabled the facility to build smart contracts on its network. Number 1. Ethereum. Ethereum is indeed one of the most potential crypto assets to buy and hold. A lot of the developments taking place in the Ethereum ecosystem are aimed at making it the most useful blockchain network. Ethereum is different from Bitcoin. Recently, crypto broke its records, stabilizing its position in the market. Its network allows developers to create their cryptocurrency utilizing the Ether network. Even though it was launched years after several other cryptocurrencies, it has far exceeded its place in the market because of its unique technology. It is one of the best cryptocurrencies to start the bullish rally by year-end. Thank you guys for watching. If you want more videos like this, make sure to like the video and hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video.